Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare PrizePicks and Hard Rock Sportsbook. PrizePicks and Hard Rock Sportsbook serve different betting styles depending on your preferences. PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports platform focused on predicting individual player stats. It features a simple and user-friendly interface, making it ideal for casual and beginner users. Users can create flexible entries with fast payouts and minimal complexity. However, it does not offer traditional sports betting options like spreads or money lines. It is best suited for fans who prefer quick, prop-style fantasy contests. Meanwhile, Hard Rock Sportsbook is a full-service sports betting platform covering a wide variety of sports. It offers traditional betting options such as point spreads, money lines, and parlays. The app is well-designed and easy to navigate for both new and experienced bettors. Some features like live betting and promotional offers enhance the user's experience. It is a great choice for those looking for a comprehensive and traditional sportsbook. In my opinion, PrizePicks is best for quick, player-focused picks, while Hard Rock Sportsbook is better for full-scale traditional sports betting. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.